So the video I'm going to show is how to make pesce dough. So it's a Italian recipe. It uses 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, although you can probably add some more, and that's it. So enjoy. It's low cost and it helps us eat for $1.50 a day. Okay, so today we're going to make this thing called pesce dough. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it's pronounced. But that's just the way my mom had always called it growing up, so that's what we're going to do. So right now I'm whisking together 2 eggs. I'm going to put 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Now these breadcrumbs are homemade. We had bread, we used a bread maker to make it. And the ends, we don't really like the ends of the bread, so we end up using that in a food processor. We let it get stale, put in a food processor, and we made our own breadcrumbs. So I put a 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix these together. So the exact words from my mom was, when you put the egg and breadcrumb together, let it sit for the length of the time going to the bathroom. So we'll see how that works. This is looking pretty good. Make these patties, flatten them, you make them round if that's your style. And we let them cook. You already tell they're crisping at the bottom, with the goal is to make them nice and golden brown. I'm going to clean while I cook. It's efficient. Just lightly golden brown. Maybe I'll cook them a bit longer. That one looks pretty good. And turn up the heat a little bit, get this done quicker. This is more like medium, maybe medium high. But I'm going to keep a closer eye on it now. These are ready to be checked on. That one's looking pretty good. One's looking pretty good. That one looks done. Give it just another second. Turn off the heat. I think we're ready to serve these. Oh yeah, perfect.